Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add an icon to your Wix site. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So just go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard right here. Once you're here in the dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen and then you're going to find all of these sections. So once you're here, go ahead and click on edit site in the bottom and then you will be redirected to this page right here. So just wait for it to load. This is going to be the editor for Wix. And then once loaded, this is how it will look like. Here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize and design your site. So right now, in order to add an icon, just go to add element. And then here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these options. Here you can add a text, you can add an image, button, strip, decorative, box, and so on. So for example, I'm going to go here to decorative and then I'm going to choose an icon from here. So for example, I'm going to add this icon. In order to add it, just drag it and then drop it where you want to drop it. You can also change the size of it. You can change its place. And here, as you can see guys, you can also change the shape if you want. Also right here, you're going to find the settings. Here you're going to find the design settings. You can change the color and so on. You can add an animation, add a link, and so on. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.